Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yantan. The novel coronavirus has claimed more than 2 lakh lives globally since its outbreak in December 2019 in China. More than 28,64,000 cases are registered in 193 countries and territories. Of these cases, over 7,72,000 are now considered recovered. Meanwhile, in India, the number of COVID-19 cases has climbed to 26,917, while the death toll rose to 826. Health Ministry data said the number of active COVID-19 cases stood at 20,177. As many as 5,913 people have been cured or discharged, and one had migrated. Nagaland Principal Secretary Home Abhijit Sinha said that in the surveillance activities being carried out in the containment zone in Dimapur in connection with a COVID-19 positive person of Dimapur detected in Guwahati, till yesterday a total of 5,667 persons have been interviewed, covering 1,005 households. He said that in connection with a positive case, a total of 427 suspected COVID-19 samples were sent from the state, testing, and all have tested negative. On law and order situation during the lockdown, Sinha said no violation of the lockdown and curfew orders was reported from any part of the state yesterday. He said suitable arrangements were made for providing food and shelter to migrant workers affected by the restriction in 4 active relief camps where 439 migrant laborers are housed. He said more than 700 daily wages and needy persons were provided food and relief from 3 food camps except Dimapur, Mon, Beren and Woka. The second consignment for Biosafety Laboratories, BSL, along with technicians, reached Dimapur by Indian Air Force C-17 Cloak Master yesterday. Works for setting up of BSL-3 at Naga Hospital Authority, Kohima, is in progress, while BSL-2 will be set up at a referral hospital, Dimapur. In a tweet, Chief Minister Nipirio said, with the arrival of the consignment, work for setting up the second biosafety laboratory at a referral hospital, Dimapur, will also start immediately. Dimapur District Administration will allow certain shops to open with immediate effect after the state government on Saturday relaxed certain guidelines to permit the functioning of select shops amidst the nationwide lockdown to control the spread of COVID-19. Deputy Commissioner Dimapur, Anup Kinchi, in an order yesterday said that all shops in residential complexes, neighborhood shops and standalone shops within the limits of municipalities and town councils, except shops in market complexes and multi-brand and single-brand malls with 50% strength of workers will remain open from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. He, however, said wearing of masks and social distancing is mandatory. He also said that shops in Hong Kong Market, New Market, Hussey Park, MP Road, Railway Bazaar, Vegetable Market at Purana Bazaar and all weekly bazaars will remain closed. Besides, public transportation including auto rickshaw and cab services will be prohibited. Wholesale vegetable market will continue to operate from supermarket area, while the wholesale market of essential commodities will continue to operate from the designated godowns. Wholesale medical market will continue to operate from Sosino Market, MB Road and GS Road and Nyamu Lotha Road. He said that the containment zone in Murkipati, GS Road and Marwaripati will continue to remain sealed. The Deputy Commissioner Zonoputo has issued fresh notification on the opening of shops in the district with immediate effect until further order. The DC said that all the shops selling essential commodities will be allowed to open on all working days of the week from 7 a.m. to 12 noon. Shopkeepers are to compulsorily wear masks during business hours, while all shoppers have been asked to wear masks and maintain social distancing at all times. Meanwhile, the DC has totally banned transportation of pigs from Assam or other districts to Zonoputo till further notice with immediate effect. Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh RSS Chief Dr. Mohan Bhagwat has appealed to Swayam Sevaks to work proactively and help all those affected due to COVID-19 pandemic. He also urged them to work for the betterment of the country by maintaining positive attitude in this situation and staying away from fear and anger. He appealed to Swayam Sevaks to continue relief work till COVID-19 pandemic ends. Bhagwat clarified that all sections of the society should play a cooperative role in this matter of national interest. He said that in the post-lockdown period, our economic policies and development policies should be contemporary for the nation-building process, and government should build a new development model in that regard. With that, we end the morning news. Have a nice day.